Fine, we doing aye. Buy me one of things that me want, so nobody coulda style me.
Shit.
Remember when me cook
shit. Buy your own shit. Don't buy nobody buy no nothing. That we call living good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now we're back with another video for you guys. We have Saying Kids again. You know, last week we do a Saying Kids video last week. And I say, I'm spy for the for say all the people over Saying Kids are going to react to it. As me I say, I'm telling you, so once you run out on the video them, it me I say, we're not getting more. So run out on the like button, people. Comment this like comment section, just flag them, just recommend some more Saying Kids song, and I'm sure forget them. And then me I say, run up the video. The more I like the video, the more people get to see the video. So like the video. Is it me I say, some people get to see the reaction boss video come take over the entire. Yeah, that's the rest of people. What I do with do? I'm good. I'm there easy, I'm tired, but guess what? Guess what? I have to post a video every day, so right now I'm going to sit down and make 3 videos. I have to post it today. I'm still have to go up on the 9 to 5, so. See with me. You did me I say. Run through, so I go on the artist name, Byron Messia. Byron, I should say, Byron. That's Messiah. Anyways, let's go. This song is titled Living Good. You understand me? So I got a little vibes, so that's why you can see what I go on. I'm not sure what to expect yet, but we're gonna have a little vibes. Run tune. Alright then. Young guns them outside. I like the prayer, the young guns them outside. You see, I don't know old man not saying. It's like I'm young guns. Rated already. Go on.
Crocodile.
Yeah.
Mouth lock and teeth still a show.
Bumbuck belt. Dog say mouth lock and them teeth still a show. That's a crocodile say for real dog. And them crocodile mouth lock them teeth still a show. Go on with it.
You laughing?
Yeah.
Push back.
Right, Fashion Diva. So why the man dead in front of Fashion Diva? No. Be a man at it too. No. Burn up that. Go on. Sing my boy, come for sing. Come for sing to the girl them. No, I living good. I sing about lifestyle. More than mates. People know how positive they are in that, you get me? We want positive because we don't forget to see the reaction, dog. YouTube start black the video them again. But when I say 40, link to the original song in the description down below. Run tune.
Yeah, we living good. Take care of my dogs, take care of my hood. Who are you out there when...
Oh, take care of him, shot him come from. Take care of him dogs, man, take care of him get on it. As we are saying in Jamaica. Take care of him get on. Take care of him dad, take care of him get on. Alright, go on.
We living like we should. Everybody turn star like we die Hollywood.
Yeah.
We living good, we doing
exactly.
Good, we doing.
Man say I live good. The man say I take care of friend and take care of where him come from. You see me I say. And then say everybody in a turn star, but then can't turn star. You know it's pretty good to see people where you grew up with that you can friend them. And the man them do good things, dog. You see me a girl them do good things. You see me nobody run out come in a man on the street. That good. Go on.
Fine, we doing aye. Buy me one of things that me want, so nobody coulda style me.
Shit.
Remember when me cook
shit. Buy your own shit. Don't buy nobody buy no nothing. That we call living good. You hear me I say? Yeah, we living good. But like that second, that's like bad. Them recommend that one under what the artist on the reactor. To remember his name. But the first Saying Kids song on that did. You see me I say? Yeah, with the girl them there. Go on.
Noodles with the V and the sausage, hard to manage. Now me stacking up the cabbage, living lavish.
Yeah.
The girl me got beside them, me look like she want
girl beside him. Yeah, we see her. She look good. Girl living good for me. You see me? But me know about this, the macaroni with the V and the sausage. You see me? I say, me know about it. Me know about that. I left me rich double tips like a bunch. I thought you talk about that. I left me rich. If I'm rich, I'm still gonna consume that kind of food.
The public scalp for me, not every publish want to sleeping on my palace.
Yeah.
Vibes done by it, so nobody have wow.
Yeah.
Sipping on this,
the man
I'm smoking.
From every parish. Well, so, do you guys have parishes in Saying Kids too? That's what y'all do? Because you know in Jamaica we have parish in Jamaica, it's amazing, but in America they have states. You hear me? So a parish them call them in Saying Kids. Me no know. Well, obviously I'm not from Saying Kids, guys, so Drop it in the comment section. And I'm like with the viewers, them tell me things I'm gonna ask and big up on yourself. Everybody. Run through.
Because they a really pretty girl in a bikini, about to push it panty like a string with on a guitar.
That's like it's bad. That's like you're going good. No people want to think about the song. For real. The dear ones, they want to think about the song. Come on there and don't watch anything but post. They don't want to think about the song. Yeah. Go on, listen to the brother. Take me.
Yeah, we living good. Take care of my dogs, take care of my hood. Who are you out there when we living like we should? Everybody talk.
Solidarity. The Jamaican don't get that one there. Go on. Yeah, we live good.
Don't style like we die Hollywood. We living good, we doing fine, we doing aye.
We doing Irie. Once you say Irie, we can hold a pause. We doing Irie. People are saying kids. Run tune.
Me want of things that me want, so nobody coulda style me. How to spend some money what them can't afford. Big up me dance from up here straight to Waterford.
And Jamaica you come from? I know about Jamaica. I'm more. You man, some buy some things, spend some money you can't afford it. You see, big up me dog, them and be up doing what afford. Go on.
Money and girl, they are some me not have no time for quote. But if them violate me dog, we put them life on life support. And my style sophisticated, so many chicks me dated, they beat them.
Yo, he man have a young voice, but him bad. Me no joke. Look like him around 18, 19. You understand me? I say, yeah, don't to my voice for that one, and that is not normal. Go on.
Me party, but I know me better not be belated.
Yeah.
Full me heart with money, while them full them heart with hatred.
Yeah.
Them not got the fat if them violate.
Boom, bang. We living good. We living good. You see me? I say certain rations have to calm it. You see me? I say, yeah, we come and say, the girl like that. I'm so one girl like that. What a theme, girl.
We lead them waste. Yeah, we living good. Take care of my dogs, take care of my hood. Who are you?
How this? The person in black likes what they know. So. Who said they were like Chiching Jing? Chiching Jing him? Yeah, him. They were there the black with the darkers. Look for them good. I thought it was.
Sausage has been managed, now me stacking up the cabbage, living lavish. Pretty girl me got beside them, me look like Shawan. Because they a really pretty girl in a bikini, about to push it good. We live. Eight nation.
Eight. Yeah, that something now. Everybody say 8 nation of 50, alright? R.I.P. Tyreek and Tom. R.I.P. rest up you. They have my name, but they didn't spell diff. Yeah, people want to think about the song. I'm not think about the song. You see me? I say, it's a good look. Maria like, we living good. You see me? I say, yeah, man. Drop the like button, smash the like button, tear up the comment section. You see me? I say, tear the like button and drop the comments down below. I'm kind of, energy at that. I'm just say, come first video this for the day. You see me? I say, I'm going to make a next video right now. I'm going to try to forget them out. That's all. You see me? Peace.